The handle of my bathtub faucet broke on Sunday. And it's still not fixed. I tried to help by calling more plumbers. And the honey bear, that's my landlord, he got pissed.
His reaction is out of line with mine. Maybe I just need to let go of my control issues and allow the honey bear to take care of the problem. Relax. Let go. Relax. There's no problem. There's no problem. I can't hear anything. Let go. Relax. Let him take care of the problem.
I feel like the sound of leaking water is Chinese torturing me out of here. I mean, it doesn't take 5 days to find a plumber. He's doing this on purpose. He's an evil white Rastafarian in disguise. I just want to know why he doesn't like me.
I wouldn't expect you to understand that the stupid leaking water is a metaphor for my leaking energy, the amount of energy I put out on a daily basis for everyone in my life. Then I end up stressed out, strung out, and bitchy because I'm not getting what I need. Apparently this is what the therapist said to me. You give and 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 you give, and you're not supposed to ask for anything in return because that's not classy. Maybe I'm just projecting my issues with my dad toward this guy. I can't hear the leaking faucet. I can't hear it. Cause if I leave my room, I can't hear it. And the problem doesn't exist. The problem doesn't exist. It doesn't exist.